Black cohosh or Actaea racemosa derived from the Ranunculaceae. Some of its other names includes black snakeroot, bugbane, squawroot, bugwort, rattleroot, rattleweed, rattlesnale's root, richweed, black cohosh, Cimicifuga, Sheng Ma. Chinese black cohosh is a shrub-like plant native to the eastern deciduous forests of North America, ranging from southern Ontario to Georgia, north to Wisconsin and west to Arkansas. Black cohosh is a stately perennial, 3–8 feet tall, topped by a long plume of white flowers, June to September. The leaves are large and pinnate compound. The leaflets are irregularly shaped with toothed edges. The root of the plant is mostly used. It is dried and used or dried and then turned to powder. It is also used to relieve menstrual cramps and the mood swings of premenstrual syndrome, PMS. The primary traditional use of black cohosh has been as a relaxant, sedative and antispasmodic. Native Americans used black cohosh to treat gynecological and other disorders, including sore throat, kidney problems, and depression. Following the arrival of European settlers in the U.S. who continued the medicinal usage of black cohosh, the plant appeared in the U.S. pharmacopoeia in 1830 under the name black snakeroot. In 1844 a racemosa gained popularity when John King, an eclectic physician, used it to treat rheumatism and nervous disorders. Other eclectic physicians of the mid-19th century used black cohosh for a variety of maladies, including endometritis, amenorrhea, dysmenorrhea, menorrhagia, sterility, severe afterbirth pains, and for increased breast milk production. Black cohosh is used today mainly as a dietary supplement marketed to women as remedies for the symptoms of premenstrual tension, menopause and other gynecological problems. A meta-analysis of contemporary evidence supports these claims, but the Cochrane collaboration concluded that there is insufficient evidence to support its use for menopausal symptoms. Study design and dosage of black cohosh preparations play a role in clinical outcome. An in vitro investigation with pure compounds found in black cohosh identified some beneficial effects of these compounds on physiological pathways underlying osteoporosis. According to Cancer Research UK, doctors are worried that using black cohosh long-term may cause thickening of the womb lining. This could lead to an increased risk of womb cancer. They also caution that people with liver problems should not take it as it can damage the liver. Although a 2011 meta-analysis of research evidence suggested this concern may be unfounded. Studies on human subjects who were administered two commercially available black cohosh preparations did not detect estrogenic effects on the breast. No studies exist on long-term safety of black cohosh use in humans. In a transgenic mouse model of cancer, black cohosh did not increase incidence of primary breast cancer, but increased metastasis of pre-existing breast cancer to the lungs. Liver damage has been reported in a few individuals using black cohosh, but many women have taken the herb without reporting adverse health effects, and a meta-analysis of several well-controlled clinical trials found no evidence that black cohosh preparations have any adverse effect on liver function. Although evidence for a link between black cohosh and liver damage is not conclusive, Australia has added a warning to the label of all black cohosh containing products, stating that it may cause harm to the liver in some individuals and should not be used without medical supervision. Other studies conclude that liver damage from use of black cohosh is unlikely, and that the main concern over its safe use is lack of proper authentication of plant materials and adulteration of commercial preparations with other plant species. Reported direct side effects also include dizziness, headaches, and seizures, diarrhea, nausea and vomiting, sweating, constipation, low blood pressure and slow heartbeats, and weight problems. Please share and subscribe to your Healthy Choice channel.